Welcome back to the channel. Flat tire warning light? Low pressure in the middle of a long drive? Today, I'm showing you one of the most reliable and budget-friendly tools every driver should keep in their car: the AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This compact device can pump up your tires, sports balls, and even inflatables with speed and accuracy. In this video, we'll test how fast it inflates, see how reliable its pressure readings are, and find out if it's worth having in your emergency kit. Programmable inflation: use the M button to set your desired pressure unit, and then press the and dash buttons to set the desired pressure. The air compressor will automatically shut off when it reaches the preset pressure. This product must be powered by a 12V DC cigarette lighter to function properly, and ensure the vehicle is in a running state. Compact size, easy to store. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, this handy and portable tire inflator can easily fit into glove compartments, seats, trunks, and more. When it isn't being used, it's almost unnoticeable. Smart Preset Auto Off: the tire inflator's digital screen provides accurate readouts and 4 pressure units to choose from, while its independent buttons allow for intuitive control. You can easily preset the tire pressure and not worry about constantly monitoring it. This smart inflator will automatically shut off once it reaches the desired pressure. Easy nighttime use: equipped with a backlit screen and a flashlight, this tire inflator brings convenient use, even in dim environments. Its independent LED button enables one-press flashlight operation. Great gifts for men and women. Tough Ultra technology: enhanced durability. This tire inflator is manufactured with AstroAI's unique Tough Ultra technology, so all of its core parts, including its cylinder, motor gears, and connection rod, are built using a powder metallurgy integrated molding technique. This revolutionary manufacturing process greatly enhances the inflator's durability and increases its service life by 50%. The AstroAI Portable Air Compressor is one of those tools that seems simple, but becomes a lifesaver when you need it. From quick top-ups to emergency roadside inflation, it delivers fast, accurate, and reliable performance. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.